Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Elaina, aka Lady Smash, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hey, what's up? How's it growing? Hope everything is well and hope you're having a blessed day. So today I'm going to be actually building something, y'all. I'm going to be building a raised bed. Now y'all have heard me talk about getting a raised bed since the beginning of me opening this channel, which was just a couple months ago. But I really wanted a raised bed, and actually the sponsor of this video, Olle, has been so kind to go ahead and send me a raised bed to share with you guys and show you guys how to set it up in your garden. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I'm by myself, so hopefully I can get this done by myself. I'm hoping that this is going to be simple. It looks pretty simple, but it is a big bed, so hopefully I can get this done. If not, maybe I can just build it and then wait for a Smash to come home, or one of my boys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It's a nice cool day out here. It's a little overcast, as you can see, but like there's a little breeze in the air, so I won't be out here like hard working, you know what I mean, in the heat. So this is the perfect day for this. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting this done. But let me show you real quick the box that it comes in, because it comes packaged in a nice size box. Okay, I'm not, like I said, I can't remember how big it is. Even though the dimensions are on here, sometimes you just can't visualize, you know, how big it is. But everything's on here, the weight, the size, and everything. So let me just show y'all how it comes. So this is the box. This is how it arrived, okay? And it's quite heavy. I mean, it's 33 pounds. So I had to get, you know, my husband and then the boys to bring it into the house, and then someone to bring it out here. So, I mean, it's a one-man lift, but it's kind of heavy for me. But anyway, this is what it's supposed to look like. I don't think it's that tall. It's only 17 inches tall, and I don't think that that's that tall, but we'll see. Let me go ahead and build it. Well, it's got to be maybe as tall as this box, so that's like maybe almost to my knee. So yeah, it would be a decent size and nice to have in the garden. So let's go ahead and get building. quite heavy. I'm definitely going to need help moving this into the garden when it's all said and done. There's no way I'm gonna be able to put this in there by myself. But anyway, let's get to building. As you can see, they packaged it really well. Couldn't hardly get it out of the box. And there's supposed to be like different configurations that you could make this in. I'll show you guys in just a second. Let me get all of this plastic off of here. And I mean there's plastic on each one of these things. Yeah, each one is wrapped in plastic on both sides. So let me remove all the plastic and then we'll come back, okay? Okay, so that took a hot minute to take off that plastic. Keep in mind that this is metal and there are sharp edges on here. I kind of scratched myself and I'm feeling it. But that's to be expected when you build, I guess. This is everything it comes with, y'all. As you can see, the pieces are all laid out. Comes with this black stripping, and this is like for the edging, okay, so you don't scratch yourself. These are all the nuts and bolts here, and then it comes with the instructions. And so I just want to show y'all really quick, there's several ways that you could build this. So this is like a it's called a modular raised bed. And so these are all the ways that you could build this. Now I haven't quite decided which way I'm gonna build it. I'm thinking it's gonna be this one here. Okay, this is the 64 by 40. I don't know if it needs to really be that long. I don't know if I have that much space, but I do want it to be long, but I don't want it to be so wide. So I'm gonna figure this out as I go. And yeah, y'all just join me. Y'all just watch as I build this. And I'm gonna play some music, okay? Because there, as you can hear, construction is going on today on the other side. So hopefully this won't take too long. They give you the tool that you need, and then I'm just gonna pour everything out in here. And that's kind of why I put the tarp down as well, so that I wouldn't lose any pieces in the grass, because I'm building this outside. So alright, you guys, I kind of ran out of room on my phone here. I had to put, delete some footage. But as y'all can see, it's pretty much a tedious task, but it's an easy task, okay? Well, I guess I should say it's an easy task, but it's a tedious task. Because it has all of these nuts and bolts and screws. And so, according to how long you want it, is how long the project will take. So if you just wanted a small bed, I'll just put maybe one of the curved edges on this side and then another straight edge. That would be a really small bed, but that it'll be all said and done. Now remember, I originally said I wanted to have the bed with one of the straight pieces in the middle. Well, I went ahead and measured in my garden, and it's not going to allow me, the spacing that I have is not going to allow me to have it that wide. So it's gonna have to be this wide, but it can definitely be longer. So we're gonna do that instead, and then maybe 1 year we will change the arrangement of this garden bed. But then again, maybe we won't. Once it's built, it'll probably just be built. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish building, y'all. I'm probably not gonna record all of this because, like I said, I'm running out of storage space on my phone here. But you will definitely see the finished result. So I'll come back once I have it all built. All right, you guys, so the bed is complete, all complete. It took a little while, but nevertheless, it is done. And it was really, really easy to assemble. Like, if you're not a handy person, no worries, because all it really was nuts and washers and screws. And so I needed a screwdriver. I mean, they give you a wrench, you know, as one of the tools, but I definitely used a screwdriver to kind of screw in one side and use the wrench on the other side to kind of hold the nut in place. And so that was the only extra thing that I needed. Otherwise, you have everything else that you need here to make this raised bed. I love the color. It's like an ivory color. So yeah, I am super pleased with this, y'all. Even came with the rubber for the sharp edges so that I don't get, you know, nicked or anything. So yeah, it's great. It's really a nice garden bed, y'all. And so if you want to get one of these garden beds, I have a discount code for you. Check the description box below. I have a 10% off code. Just use my name, Elaina, to get 10% off, you know, off your purchase. So shout out to Ollie Gardens and Wilson over there for sponsoring this video. I appreciate you guys, and I'm really loving this bed, and I'm gonna have fun filling it with all kinds of stuff this season. So yeah, you guys, I want to thank y'all so much for watching my builds with me video, my first sponsored video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see what I'm going to be filling this bed with and where I'm going to be placing it in my garden, make sure you subscribe to the channel for more. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more so you can continue to grow with me. Bye. What's it gonna take?